皆さん、Welcome to Unit 1 Nagasaki はどこにありますか? Where is Nagasaki? This unit we're looking at two concepts. One is where something's located and second one is describing how someone looks like. Let's start with where something is located. In Nihongo, when we talk about where is something or someone, we literally have to translate where does something exist. Now, depending on the object or the person you're describing, we have to use two different verbs for existing. So to exist is arimasu and imasu. Now, arimasu is for inanimate objects such as books, trees, even though they're living things, but they're not moving. So this is for objects. Whereas imasu is for people and animals, which is animate objects. So to put it together, where is something? The key word is where. Where is doko, followed by the ni marker, place marker. Doko ni arimasu ka will be where is it. And doko ni imasu ka, where is it? For person. On course book 1 page, you'll find a Benkyou page that says asking and saying where something is. It's quite self-explanatory, but you will find that once it gets to sentences like this and here, the meaning gets a bit more complex because they are not simply stating, for example, Nagasaki is in Kyushu, Tokyo is in Japan, the cat is in the house. They're being more specific by giving pinpoint locations. Let's look at this particular example, one here. うちは公園の隣にあります. You'll find that 公園の隣 becomes one geographical location. 公園 is park and 隣 is next to. In English, we say in front of something, behind something, next to something. The geographical pinpointing keyword is always before the word such as before the park, in front of the park, behind the park, next to the park. But in Japanese, it's the other way around. It's park next to, and we join them together with a no marker. Similarly, over here, kawa no soba, which is beside a river. Uchi no mae, in front of a house. Watashi no tonari, next to me. So here are some location words you will need to know for the unit. These are 後ろ behind, 前 上 and this is the kanji for it. Stroke order. 下 隣 soba. Now, in terms of tonari and soba, tonari is right next to something, whereas near can be within the vicinity of a particular place. Now let's look at this particular comparison of two sentences, which mean essentially the same thing. It's all talking about where my house is, which is right near a park. The top one, うちは公園のそばにあります. You will notice I use wa here. うちは公園のそばにあります. Whereas the second sentence, 公園のそばにうちがあります. Now, in English, I guess if you like to translate, the top one would be my house is located near the park. Whereas the second sentence would be near the park is my house. Function-wise, they're exactly the same, except that when you see the usage of wa and ga, don't panic. The only difference is in the emphasis of information. If you use the wa topic marker, you are saying that the emphasis is on the information that goes before wa, which is my house. So as for my house, if people ask me, hey, where is your house? I would say, うちは公園のそばにあります. However, if you use the ga, the subject marker, it's not as major as the topic marker, but it can serve the same purpose. The difference is the emphasis of information goes after the ga. So I'm saying that, yeah, my house exists. It's there. So I guess it depends on the situation. If someone asks me, hey, what's that? What's near this particular park? And you can voluntarily answer by saying, oh yeah, around, nearby this park is my house. Or maybe this is a river, or this is a shopping center. So in that context, the second sentence will be more appropriate. So now you're ready to move on to some exercises. Now, in the next page, I will show you the page numbers that you will need to complete in your workbook. So workbook pages 1 to 5, task A all the way to task K, are all talking about this particular topic. So have a go. じゃあね